promise. Turning now to the coronavirus vaccine. There are health concerns today over the Johnson & Johnson coronavirus vaccine. Because of reports of blood clots, the FDA is recommending states pause the single-dose vaccine. In just the past hour, we have learned that Alabama announced it would go along with that pause. Same thing in Florida. Skylar Henry is outside the FDA headquarters in Maryland with more.
The CDC and FDA are recommending a pause in the use of the one-shot Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine to investigate whether it's caused some rare blood clots.
Right now, I'd like to stress these events appear to be extremely rare. However, COVID-19 vaccine safety is a top priority for the federal government.
Officials say there have been 6 reported cases of blood clots out of more than 6.8 million doses delivered. All 6 cases occurred in women between the ages of 18 and 48, and their symptoms developed 6 to 13 days after receiving the vaccination.
If you have any symptoms where you have pain and it's unexplainable, go to an emergency room right away. And doctors around the country are now aware of this and they know how to treat it.
Johnson & Johnson issued a statement saying there is no clear relationship between these rare events and its vaccine. There have been similar blood clot concerns with the AstraZeneca vaccine, which is not yet approved for emergency use in the U.S.
What we're seeing with the Janssen vaccines looks very similar to what was being seen with the AstraZeneca vaccine.
White House officials held a conference call with governors this morning to discuss what states should do while the FDA and the CDC review the Johnson & Johnson vaccine. States were already getting fewer J&J doses than expected this week following problems at a Baltimore manufacturing plant.
Even with uneven supply from Johnson & Johnson, we are distributing vaccine supply to vaccinate well more than 3 million people per day.
Still, governors are concerned supplies will be limited and that today's news will cause more people to not get vaccinated when it's their turn. Skylar Henry, CBS News, Silver Spring, Maryland.